Here I have GIONEE M7 Power, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation by using the GIONEE settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find and select settings. Here from the following list of settings, you need to scroll down, choose more settings. Then let's select here backup and reset, and here you can use the factory data reset. This operation will clear saved in the phone contacts, SMS call logs, system and application data and settings and login account. But you can also clear, for example, phone storage, so you can clear also music, pictures and other user data. Let me do it. Let me basically clear the full reset, let me clear the whole phone, so it will be the master reset of this device. Let's choose here confirm restore and tap OK to accomplish the following operation. Let's wait until the hard reset will be completed. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start simply to activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.